Welcome to Safari India's exclusive interview with Pooja R. Patil, Head Business Development India, Synergy Global Housing. Welcome to the show, Pooja.
Thank you.
Let's head to our first question and the most basic one. What is Synergy and what does Synergy do?
Synergy is a global housing provider. We've been established for more than 25 years with 16 global offices across multiple locations. We have a presence in close to 2,000 global cities. We have offices in US, Ireland, China, Singapore, and India, and many other. We do close to about 1.8 million room nights every year. So basically, this is a combination of relocations, global mobility, intern programs, etc. And we also provide tailor-made accommodations to various corporates across the globe. We work with more than 2,000 plus suppliers, and we work with more than 300 plus corporates across the globe.
So now that brings me to my next question. How does Synergy stand apart from its competitors in the Indian market as well as from the market abroad?
Okay. Honestly, one of our major strengths is the financial backing that we have. Synergy is backed by its parent company, Ascot, and its parent company, Capital Land. Our people are our main strength. We recruit the top and ensure that exceptional service is delivered. We also try and provide flexibility in terms of tailor-made accommodations, which would help the corporate suit their best requirements. And we provide superior guest services in terms of personalized services in terms of check-in and check-out, and we provide swift issue resolutions, etc. We also help the procurement and the travel management for the data analytics and the reporting structure, which makes their job easier. So this is how we're trying to differentiate and stand apart from different competitors in India.
Now moving on to our next question. What strategy is Synergy using to differentiate itself in India's competitive corporate housing sector?
Sure. What we do is we follow very strict due diligence with our suppliers. Only once they kind of pass the mandatory criteria is when they become a part of our supply chain. So we currently work with close to about 7,000 suppliers across the world, while sustainability is one of the main options that we're looking at, because most of the corporates are moving towards sustainable options where service departments become one of their major sources of saving the carbon footprint, etc. We also provide the choice in terms of which will adhere to their corporate travel policies, and where they can also get a lot of wide variety of options to choose from. Just to give you a highlight that we've started our new technology tool called Sapphire, and which can actually seamlessly integrate with multiple corporate travel and mobility programs.
With the rise of flexible, short-term corporate housing, how is Synergy evolving its offerings to meet the needs of business travelers, digital nomads, and relocation professionals?
Honestly, what we see is a lot of people opting into apartments, and we already are seeing that the trend is setting in, and people are wanting more space. They want their own kitchen, they want to do their own laundry. People are moving into different sorts of apartments, where there are luxury apartments, there are service apartments, mid-segment apartments, there are apartment hotels.
So now we move on to the US market, which is with Synergy already established in key US markets. What strategies are being implemented to strengthen its presence and drive further expansion into new cities, and also from an Indian's perspective, from a US perspective, and also it's in Bangalore and it's in other cities as well. So how the expansion is there in US as well as in India?
Honestly, Synergy was born in the US and is only been in India for last 5 years. And in the last year alone, we've kind of doubled the size of our Bangalore office. Our headquarters in India being Bangalore, we have a manpower increase by 300% from the time we began. So it's definitely expanding in a very big way, and we are seeing that. And we are very proud of the achievements that we've already made in India in a very short span of time. We're working with different corporates, we're working with multiple relocation management companies across various cities, across various supply chain models, and with various suppliers.
Which all cities you are already present, and which are planned to go further in India as well as in US?
Currently, we we have one office only in India, which is Bangalore. While we have multiple GSTINs that we've registered with across India and we are definitely having plans of expanding to various cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and mostly metro cities. And I think we should be lucky enough to have more people working in reservations, guest services, so we can serve our clients better. And I think we want to grow with the country, and India is immensely growing, and Synergy wants to grow with India as a company.
What global expansion challenges does Synergy face, and how it is addressing them?
Okay, so definitely, there are challenges that every company faces. Just to be a little precise, we have close to about 1 million apartments across 150 countries, and we've been able to choose to tune into different cultures. And there are some, of course, challenges that we face in terms of the geopolitical situations at various countries. The travel policies change, there are pause in travel, etc. And something that we're good at is crisis management. The LA fires, if you've read through our profile, you might have gone through that. We did a lot of apartment movements to people moving into safer places when the LA fires happened. While these challenges are there, we are trying to foresee a lot of business moving in and out of India and other countries. So I think there are challenges, but we're trying to build a lot of cultural diversity in terms of our labor force to support various cultural factors.
What are your short-term goals, and where do you see yourselves in the long term? What is your vision?
So in terms of short-term goals, what we're actually looking at is we're trying to expand on our supply chain. Definitely, we are trying to move into different cities and countries. That's one of our major focus in terms of expansion. We are hiring the top leadership. We are hiring different teams at different countries at this point of time, where we are trying to be more culturally diversified, and we understand how the cultures are of different countries to support the client with. And the long-term goals are, we definitely want to work with multiple corporates, new startups, unicorn companies, manufacturing companies, real estate companies, multiple of these sectors. We are also working on medical research and medical tourism. There are a lot of people moving in and out of the country, and they want to be comfortable when they're having their medical treatment. So there's a lot to explore in terms of that segment as well. I think we're already proud of what we've achieved in India in a very short span of time, and we are working on growing it even more in terms of the number of clients that we service locally, and of course the stands applicable to all the countries that we have presence in. And we work day in and day out to support our clients in terms of accommodations, and to make them feel more comfortable, more easier. The travel managers, the procurement managers, they're more comfortable working with us rather than speaking to 10 suppliers. They speak to us, and then we kind of support them in terms of whatever they're required in a particular geolocation.
Thank you, Pooja, for telling us about Synergy and what does Synergy do, and taking your time and letting us know how you are expanding your wings in India and abroad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Joyita, for this great opportunity to be on Safari. And, with Synergy growing, I'm sure Safari is also growing really well. I really love the content that gets posted on your page, and we're definitely fans of Safari World. And we will, as and when there is expansion changes, we would definitely want to be, we want to use Safari as our channel to let our corporates know that, they are very comfortable, they're taken care of, and we definitely want to grow in India and across the globe in terms of accommodations and global supply chain. Thank you so much, Joyita, once again.